After a two-day snow delay, testimony resumed today in the Aaron Hernandez murder trial. This morning's abbreviated hearing included chilling new evidence and news that a second juror is now off the case. Eyewitness News reporter Susan Campbell joins us now from Fall River Superior Court with the mobile newsroom.
We heard testimony for less than 2 hours today. First from a Massachusetts State Police trooper, then a North Attleboro police officer, finally a North Attleboro firefighter.
Have a seat, sir.
Another day of testimony, another painful day for Odin Lloyd's mother, who bowed her head and fiddled with a bracelet on her arm as prosecutors showed video of her son's body. This is the first time we've seen this video of the crime scene. It was shot by Massachusetts State Police trooper Michael Lombard.
You were making observations while you were videoing?
Yes.
Part of the video shows tire tracks and shoe prints that were discovered near the body.
That's placard number 2, which is a footwear impression. That's placard 3, which is another footwear impression.
Did you attempt to videotape any shoe prints other than the 2 shoe prints that you talked about a few minutes ago, the ones that were at placards 2 and 3?
No, I did not.
Well, are you telling this jury there were no other shoe prints in that area that night, Trooper Lombard?
No, there were other ones.
But you didn't film any of those, right?
That's correct.
Throughout all of this testimony, Cheyenne Jenkins sat in her usual spot right behind Aaron Hernandez. Yesterday, she was granted immunity and may be forced to testify at his trial. Today, a juror was excused. Remember, we started this trial with 18. Now we're down to 16. Coming up new at 6, our Eyewitness News legal analyst explains if this will affect the trial. In Fall River with the Southeastern Massachusetts Mobile Newsroom, Susan Campbell, Eyewitness News.
Now Aaron Hernandez on trial. Testimony continued today in the former Patriots player's murder case. Cheyenne Jenkins sat right behind her boyfriend one day after we learned that she may be forced to testify against him. Plus, a second juror was dismissed from the case. New at 6 tonight, our legal analyst explains if that will affect the trial. Eyewitness News reporter Susan Campbell joins us now live from the mobile newsroom.
We don't know much about the juror who was dismissed or why she was dismissed, but we do know the jury is now made up of 10 women and 6 men. As Aaron Hernandez faces a murder charge, there's another empty seat in the jury box. Today, Judge Susan Garsh excused a juror for personal reasons, but didn't elaborate, only saying the juror's dismissal wouldn't affect the trial. Our Eyewitness News legal analyst agrees.
It's not going to impede the trial moving forward. The bottom line is that's why they have 18 jurors instead of 12. They've lost 2. They've still got plenty left to work with.
If this does keep happening, we keep losing jurors, what does that mean for the trial?
I think that if they ever lost the last and 12th juror, the judge would have to declare a mistrial and probably start over. But, you know, they went through 1,100 potential jurors to get this particular pool. I don't think they're going to have a problem.
Last week, the judge dismissed a juror who knew more about the case than she disclosed. The judge also said that excused juror had made comments that it would be difficult to convict Hernandez without a murder weapon. As you know, that .45 caliber gun has never been found. The judge said there is a scheduling issue, so the Hernandez trial is off for tomorrow, but will resume with a full day of testimony on Friday. With the mobile newsroom, Susan Campbell, Eyewitness News.
And you can count on Eyewitness News for continuing coverage of the Aaron Hernandez trial. We'll continue to track each development as the case unfolds from Fall River Superior Court.